Coming up on the Grapevine. I don't like this. I like that Petro because you can walk across the street. There's an in and out. But I don't like the Grapevine. Not because of maybe what you think. Not because of the ascent or the descent. It's because the road is horrible and there's too many trucks, too much other traffic. I don't like it. Way station. Let's see if we have to go in. It's truck driver harassment week, so probably. What do you say? What do you say? Awesome. Awesome. Hades. Here's where it gets its name. This exit up here, I've been there a lot. When I divorced my first wife, we had to exchange my kid up here. And she was always late, so I spent a lot of time here. I lived in Kirk County. She's still in LA. Fuckers need to fix these roads. I'm about 25,000 pounds, so you're not the whole truck, that's the load. So I'll be middling up here. Uh-oh, down below 45. No, as far as I'm concerned, this is where the misery of driving through LA starts, when you hit the Grapevine. It's all shit from here. Not allowed to use that lane like that guy did. This guy's going a lot slower than me, but I'll stay in this lane because I don't want a ticket. Yes, I know. Comes another guy flying up there. If I were empty, I might do that. I'm going a lot faster than this. But I'm averaging 35, except for the slow fuckers ahead of me. Here's the Lebec exit. Rest area, although I believe I just saw a sign saying it's a brake check area. Brake check area used to be at the end here before you go down. I'm sure there's still another one there. Coming up, we got Fraser Park. It's not really Fraser Park. Fraser Park's farther down. I forget what this actual. Maybe this is Lebec also. I don't know. It's the Fraser Park exit. I hate this stuff. Man, yesterday I was driving around the Bay Area for 8 hours. I had a delivery, and then I had to pick up two different shippers. Was in that area 8 hours. And now I'm going to LA. Kind of shit that makes you want to quit this job. Okay, Fraser Park exits. Really wish this guy wasn't there. There's a truck stop there, a Flying J. You know, this time out on the road, I have not stopped there. 26, 28 years ago, I used to stop there a lot. Cajon Pass. Gorman exit. Alright, there's the 138 heading over to Palmdale, Lancaster. I was going 60. I just watched 2 people get pulled over. So now I'll just go behind this guy. He's doing like 54. Fuck it. Good enough for me to get through the rest of this. I usually go around this. I think this, since I've been back truck driving almost a year, it's only the 3rd time, maybe 4th time I've taken the Grapevine. I hate it. I usually go around, but this time I'm going right to LA, and to go around would really waste a couple hours. You know, if I'm heading anywhere near San Bernardino, I'll definitely go around. Look, Caltrans is doing a little bit of work. Fix the roads, man. No one cares about that. Okay, the real brake check area. Doing a little work here that they've been doing for over a year. Highway coming up. When I was a teenager, we used to go have dirt parties up there on occasion. Normally we stuck closer to home. Downgrade. Truck speed limit's 40. Jake's worked really, really well now. I understand 26, 28 years ago when my Jake brakes sucked, having to go 40 down here. But really, I think it's unnecessary. We've got really good Jakes now, although maybe some trucks don't have them. I don't know. Castaic, Lake Hughes Road. Also, when I was a teenager, we used to go party up there sometimes. Again, not that often. Usually stuck a little closer to home, up here in Santa Clarita. Hasley Canyon Road. They got a prison up there. We used to go party there. Just kidding, we didn't do that. I had a buddy who had to go serve some time there. Guess what he did? He didn't pay some parking tickets or some shit. One of the dumbest ways to go to prison. Anyhow, I guess Grapevine's over. One more thing. There's Magic Mountain. Six Flags Magic Mountain. Over there. Okay, now the video's done.